Those of you who follow me know that I have recently started dyeing my hair red, and prior to that, I was a very light blonde, which obviously causes a lot of damage, not to mention I have really naturally frizzy hair to begin with. It's also extremely wavy, and while this is not exactly my natural wave, it's pretty similar, and this time of year, I really prefer to just wash and go. Luckily for me, I have partnered with Gussi Hair, and they have sent me an at-home keratin kit. Please talk about this packaging because, first of all, the neon color is so freaking cute. So we have here the shampoo, and then this is an actual treatment. So I'm going to walk you guys through how I use it. Take a good look at the before. We're starting with the instructions here. You have to start with the squeaky clean shampoo, and then you move on to the treatments. After getting the water out of my hair, I'm sectioning this into 6 different sections, and I'm going to spray each section and comb through. So here's the first section I did, and now here's the last section that I did. So you're going to allow this to process, in this case for 20 minutes, but follow the instructions. The sheet will tell you exactly how long you need to leave it in. I'm gonna wash this out, and then I'm going to use my blow dry brush, and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, we're back downstairs. There's only one thing left to do, which is lock this in with my flat iron. It says here, dry damaged flat iron temperature 360 to 390. So this right here is heating up to 400 right now because that's the closest setting that I have it to, and 1-inch sections, and you have to go over it 3 to 4 times. I will come back when it's all done. Okay, my friends, we're all done. Look at this shine. Like, what? It looks so good. My color is sparkling, and right now I have no filters on and I'm in natural sunlight. So I think it looks really, really good. Thanks, Gussi.